Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Understanding Concepts. Our today's topic is binary to octal conversion. Today we are going to learn how to convert a binary number into a octal, and it's a very easy conversion, and it's a direct conversion. We will be using this table for the conversion of a binary number into the octal. We have already used this table for the conversion from the octal to binary, and the method will be same for converting the vice versa, that is from the binary to octal. Actually we are here know that the base or the radix of a octal number system is 8, and the base or the radix of a binary number system is 2. So finding the relation between both of the number systems, we can conclude that 2 raised to power 3 and here it is 2 raised to power 1. So that means we will be needing 3 digits of the binary to represent a octal number. So that's why we are just considering 3 digits of binary to represent a octal number. Here 0 of the octal will be equal to 0 0 0. 1 of the octal will be 0 0 1. Actually we are going to use the code 421, right? So according to this we are making all these things, and here as we have to suppose write the number 2, it's octal number 2 and we have to represent this into the binary. So we are going to consider this 2 only because we have to convert the 2. So we will be taking 2 as high and rest of the numbers are 0 0. So the code for the octal number 2 is equal to 0 1 0. Here 0 1 0. Suppose we are going to write the number 3. So we are going to use the 2 and going to use 1. Rest of the number we don't need, that means it will be 0. So the code for the 3 is 0 1 1. As 7, we want to convert the number 7 into the binary. So we will be using 4, 2 and 1 because 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So all the numbers will be included in 7. So code for the octal is equal to 111. Right. So this table we will be using as a reference to convert the binary to octal numbers, and now I will be considering some of the examples. Just take the first example. Suppose we are having any random number. Suppose we are having a number 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. Suppose this is a binary number and we have to convert this number into the octal number system. So what we have to do is we will be going to, because we know that as we have discussed here that for the octal to binary conversion we are going to use 3 bits. So we will be here going to make the groups of the 3 digits. Like we will be always going to make the groups starting from the right hand side, and we will be having the 3 digits in a group. So this is our first group. So next group will be the next 3 digits, and the next group will be next 3 digits. After making the groups, we have to write the equivalent octal number of that binary number. So here this is 110. So the corresponding octal number of 110 is 6. So that means this is going to be 6. So next group is 111. So the corresponding octal number of the binary 111 is 7. So here I will be writing the 7. 011. So this is the number 3 actually. So the number 110111011 in the binary number system is equal to 673 in the octal number system. Right? It's as simple as that. We are just using a direct conversion and this table. So the next second example I am going to have is suppose I am having a number, any random number I am going to take 1010110111011. So suppose this is any binary number. Now we have to convert this binary number into the octal number system. Again first of all we are going to make the groups of the three digits, and definitely we are going to make the groups starting from the right hand side always. So this is the first group, and the next three bits will be included in the next group, and a group here, it is a group. And now you can see here we are having at the last, at the very left end of the number, we are left with the only one digit, but we have to consider three digits in a group. So we will be adding zeros from ourselves to make it, just to make it a 3-bit number, because we know that adding the zeros on a very left hand side makes no difference in the number. So we can add these two zeros. Now we just have to write the corresponding octal numbers of these 3 bits numbers. As we know, this 001 is 1, 010, this is basically 2, and this 110, you can compare with the table, it's 6, 111 it's 7, and 011 it's equal to 3. So the 001, 010, 110, 111, 011 binary number is equal to 12673 in the octal number system, right? If you are not making any group having a like 3 digits at the end, you can like include or can write zeros, because you know that adding the zeros on a very left side of a number is make no difference in the magnitude of the number, right? So after that, I'm just going to have a third example. So suppose we are having a number that is 1011.1011000. It's suppose now this is a binary number, and we have to convert this binary number into the octal. So now we have to take care of one thing, that we are having a decimal over here. So we are not going to make the groups from the very left hand side, rather we will be starting from the decimal. We will be making the groups of the 3 digits from the decimal to the left hand side and towards the right hand side. So first of all, suppose I am going to make the groups towards the left hand side starting from the decimal. So this is our first group, and for the next group, as we are having only a single digit, so as we have done here in the last example, we can add as many numbers of zeros as we are needed over here. I am here to make it a 3-digit number. I am here adding 2 zeros, and from the decimal we have to make the groups on the right hand side also. This is a first group and this is a second group. Now just write the corresponding that is the octal numbers of these binary numbers. 001 will be equal to 1, 011 will be equal to 3, 101 will be equal to 5, and 100 will be equal to 4. So the number 1011.101100 will be equal to 13.54 into the octal numbers. So again I am going to consider one more example. So here the next example is, suppose we are having any number like 111.111.00101. Suppose this is any binary number, and we have to convert this binary number into the octal. So by using the same method, I will be going to make the groups of 3 digits starting from the decimal towards the left hand side and towards the right hand side. So here the first group is, this is the first group of 3 digits, and this is the second group. We are here having 2 digits, so I will be adding 0 to make it a 3-digit number. And starting from the decimal going towards the right hand side, this is the first group, this is the second group, and here you are having 2 digits. So to make it a 3-digit number, I will be adding here the 0, because you know after the decimal, if you are going to add zeros on a very right hand side, after the decimal only we can add the zeros, so that will be not making any of the difference in the magnitude of the number. So after making the groups, we will be writing the corresponding octal numbers of these 3-digit binary numbers. 0 1 1, that will be equal to 3. Again 0 1 1, it's 3. 1 1 1, it's 7. 0 0 1, it's 1. 0 1 0, it's 2. So the numbers here it is, we are having actually the number is 11011.111000101. That will be equal to 33.712 into the octal number system. So here you can see how it is easy to convert the binary numbers to the octal numbers using that direct table, and the conversion is quite simple and easy. So I have also explained the different other conversions, that is from binary to other number systems and from other number systems to the binary, octal and hexadecimal, and you can check the videos and can go through the link given in the description box. If you have not still subscribed my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.